Okay, it's expensive, but a college degree can really get you far by. I'm not saying certificates aren't enough because certificates are being offered in all, and internships you could, as long as you actually like proseguido juga, interesado juga. I don't really know, by. That's the main thing. I don't really know what to see myself in the future because focus ra jud kay karon sa present. I mean, of course, na kay, you know,
Mayong adlaw, ako si Gab. Join me as we uncover untold stories. And today, I'm here with...
Kent.
So, Kent. So, Kent, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Name's Kent. I'm 20 years old, turning 21 this year. Also, I live here in Valencia, and I study in Siliman. Yeah, that's all.
So, what's your course?
My course is computer science.
Computer science.
Yeah. Nalagi hagbong, bro. Ay, nako.
What are the things that being taught in computer science?
Well,
All about?
mostly sa mong course is focus jud mi sa fundamentals sa C nga language. So, at first katong natay introduction is all about web design. Pero paano dito? First year ra jud ba? Pero web design by katong pag first na og delve in ato, interesting kay siya. Samot na katong no basic nga HTML, pero pag abot sa CSS, kada kay maka-design na kag minaayo na kay maka some kind of creative ideas ba, murag dito jud ko na nalingaw. Pero pag abot sa C, murag galisod ba, like ang logic or jud sa like usan pag-connect. Kuto first year murag lisod jud ko ato samo to sa functions and linked list. Pointers by GGs ato by makainundom lagi ko ato, pero okay ra ko kung maiso ato kay murag ka na siya ba, merciful ra kay siya mo tag og grado namo, so naka-survive ako. Pero pag abot second year by na-introduce on Java, mingon ra ko nga murag kana kay siya, let's say another kind of learning na po Java. Same na siya syntax sa C, pero iyang logic ug iyang application kay different ra jud. Yun karon katusong na Japan may C, like about data structures and algorithms. Let's say interesting siya nga topic, pero daghan kayong data structures ba. So if imo nang i-cram jud sa usa ka sem, lisod gyud siya masabdan. Samot ta if wala kay on hand nga or previous knowledge gani about kuan, kay katong among first year mga parang mga fundamentals ra ba, so basics ra. Pero pag abot dayon sa second year data structures na mi, so murag fast ra kay ang progress or kuan ba jump. So galisod ko to basically muna ko nahagmang karon og Java, pero sige lang bay, sige lang kay gapa na mo ko pagron like daghan akong free time, so fan bro courses nga maka-help ra kog kuan kay akong na maka-figure ko nga if murag ma-enhance ra jud akong skills ani if mo kuan akong problems everyday ba, para kog kay mura akong game ron, like as long as ako engage akong self og mga problems regarding ana kanang everyday ko mo kuan ra jud mo code, makakuan ra gud ko ana soon enough mawayo ra ko ba. So mura to like what do you like summarize or so far amo ang na taught or namo na learn about sa computer science.
Pero kanang C ug Java bro ba, unsa man siya bro?
Programming language, yes. In general, programming language sila. Like, you can makaprogram kanila, and that program, whatever that is, will be translated into something.
Kanang programming language in simple words, unsa man siya?
Programming language, okay, example lah. So, let's just say, it's like you're learning a new language lang jud. But in a computer sense. So, it's like, let's say, well, galearn kag English, right? So, unfamiliar pa ka sa iyang how the sentences works, how the sentences ang constructions niya, how it forms, the grammars and all. That's like the same as learning sa a programming language. Like you have to really learn the syntax ba. Syntax basically how the languages connect, or like how it connects and how it forms something ba. So murag para maka-understand juga. So something a different language in a computer sense. So it takes a lot of learning sad kay you're still, it's like very foreign to you ba nga kan, so unfamiliar pa jud ka, so that's that by.
Mao din na siya kuan day. Computer language. Pila ka years sa college bro?
Kay pila ka years sa college? Mo 2 years, pero murag maada na ni kay ireg na mo. Ay nako.
Pero in the past 2 years I'm experienced sa college.
Yeah.
If you could describe it in one word, unsa man siya?
Well, sa akong college life in general, jud by, like, dili or academic ba, kay naman po ko'y, like, mga friends nga, naka-influence jud na ako. Grateful ra po ko nga, kay na ko'y friend nga si Vincent, right? Okay, I'm just gonna drop the name ba, kay naka-influence, if wala ko ni-take og computer science, if wala ko siya na-meet, or if wala may nagka-classmate, di siya ta magkakita ron, gym buddies and all. Siya ko'y, like, main akong influence sa anong, ga-start na ko workout and all. Anong na murag mas better na kayo ka akong kanron perception in life. Murag, so murag kumilan ka nga kay namo kay hagbon niya may kumilan ka nga murag gamahay ba ka mo ni take. I wouldn't say so nga nagmahay jud ko, like grateful ra sad ko nga na-expose ko ani na field nga course. So far ako ra jung kan is mukha na jud dapat ra jud ko consistent, just like consistent sa akong workout, dapat jud consistent sa ako ang pag-program and all para mamaayo ra sad ko. So I would describe it as one word is, well, pansya, a journey.
A journey.
Yeah.
Pakalingaw ra ang kinabuhi ni sa college, bro, in the past 2 years.
Di mo kumihuling ako. let's just say nga paano siya, very kind of a roller coaster ride of emotions by, I wouldn't say nga lingaw ra jud every kan kay naman po makayon ka nga kan. Ajay times nga mayon ka nga kapoy naman. Di naman lingaw. Pero na pa yung say times nga bro, kaya ra, sige lang. At
Kaya.
push through lang ba. Taas pang life.
Nice one, bro. I'm proud of you, man.
Thanks, bye.
Recently, what has been your biggest failure in college?
Biggest failure, na ko, answer na, yun ba? Nagmo, huwag na ka subject. Wala lang ako, kalway. But two major subjects I failed. So I'd say that's my biggest failure, Jud. But akong biggest failure is realizing I could have done better sa akong first year ba. But all I did was the bare minimum of studying, Rajad. That's what I regret, Rajad. I don't regret taking this course, but I regret just doing the bare minimum sa akong academic field. Like, makaya ko nga, di mo to ko inani if mag-workout ko. Like, I always push through my best ba. Pero pag abot sa akong academic field, like, ano ba ni murag, mawalan mo ko gana? Para ba ni na ako? Ma-question dyan mo, na-dyo kay doubts ba? Doubts starts to creep in ba nga? Para ba ni na ako? Ano ba yung inani? Murag, di mo ko interesado. Ang ako arjong masulta na is, in time, it's a matter of time lang dyan. Di good ka, kay, at first, maglisod man dyan na. So, dira dyan ang pinakauna nga, makaingon ko nga, dira dyan ang mga doubts, mga questions na mo ma-happen. Pero, in time, as long as consistent ra jud ka sa imong work, makakon ra jud ka ana. Like, mamaayo ra ka. Ay mo akong gihimo ron. And so far, yeah, I'm doing great. Kay, sa akong since gatake og online course ra, so like I have all the time for myself lang to practice ba. There's no deadline. So that's the perk of it. So that's great. So and I can feel nga ako mga ideas nga na-learn nga wala na ako na-learn sa first year gatong learn pa mi sa basics, which is something nga akong at least celebrate nga, yeah, murag na ko'y progress na himo, murag din ako press sa una a little bit better than yesterday.
Sakto. So, basically, ang imong gibuhat karon, imong gi-maximize imong time nga free para magtuon ka.
Exactly, murag nanadyo ko'y ako na jung gi-manage akong time. Basically, nanadyo ko'y time nga akong i-expand to study, time to work out, time to all that, ana ba. Kaya ato una pag uli, ngono ko ugma ra na. So ugma ako mo study, kapoy na. Gikan workout gikan eskwela, kapoy naman. Pero karon murag di jud pwede. Kay murag na-enjoy mo pugos ako mga problems nga kansa mo if maka-realize ka amo day na. Baka ka mo day ni ang skuan algorithm, imo ni ang kuan niya solution. Makakuan ka ba unya? Samot nang if like mo take off gani ka sa imong kuan, may mo take off kag break, example mag-lunch ka or breakfast, or example bago ra kag mata shower ka, pero sa imong huna kato mga problem ba. The good thing about that by like maka-realize ka if mo na imong huna maka-realize ka like a matter of time makakuan kag maka-make og solution ba nga basin mauni ako yan ning i-apply pag makakuan mukha na ako musugod ako usob ana ba. So yeah, that's that by a bit of perseverance la good and consistency, which applies in all in life actually. Pero para jud go galisod ako apply sa akong academic field.
How do you deal with stress from school, social life, and personal struggles?
So let's deal with stress from school by ato una stress jud ko sa school. Katong ako ang second year first sem, yeah, stress jud ko, especially first sem. Ako una to is, pero wala jud ko'y concrete na way to deal with it by. Let's just say, ako ang way to cope with it is to simply deny my responsibilities ako ang academic life. So basically, example, galisod ko ani nga subject, yan na ay task, galisod ko ana. For a few days, I procrastinate and I simply take that responsibility out of my mind lang ba para murag mais ako ang ako ang mentality. Pero, so, mo-work siya for the moment at least. Pero the worst thing is, the moment nga, the day after ng deadline kay murag procrastinate na ka since murag ka na ka dira na mo sink in ang usog na pud ang pressure ba. So much worse ang pressure, so mukon pud imuhang like it's like a counterproductive kind of way of an approach ba, so it's not very healthy. Atong ako unang way nga to cope with it is dili gud siya healthy by basically I doom scroll a lot, scroll and waste my time just trying to forget it, which is not very healthy. And social life, I tell you man, my social life is doing great actually because I've met you guys, diba? The guys in gym. Like I'm actually better at socializing now compared sa senior high or high school. Awkward kiko ato. Okay, let's not talk about that. But yeah, my social life is doing great. I wouldn't say nga I'm feeling stressed. I'm actually having a fun time, you know, conversing with friends and all. And I wouldn't say so nga kansya. So far it's doing great. My social life is doing great. What's the third one again?
Personal struggles.
Personal struggles. Okay. Personal struggles. So far, I simply thank that struggle by like, bahala, kayano na ni, such is life. In a matter of time, maayo ra ni. Wala ko'y like, wala ko'y way nga murag to cope with it ba, like, kung na jud, move on ra kas life. Kay, you seeing, even if na kay problems sa imong life, misag lisod kay na, you simply have to face it ba, like, face your responsibilities and all. Because in time you'll find out, you know, you will just find out the solution about it. Like kapoy ko like lisod baron nakay problema, galisod pa ka, lisod baron, pero like you simply have to face it by you simply find out the solution by doing it, by actually facing it, by actually doing something about it rather than shooing it away ba, like not minding it, because that problem is gonna be there always, and if you wouldn't do something about it, nothing's gonna change. So bit by bit you simply have to face it, face life,
Face
move on with life, and yeah, that's it.
Based on your experience, do you think like college is still worth the price?
Worth the price. Well, for me, so let's say ako ang course is, yeah, let's just say, okay, so it's expensive, but a college degree can really get you far by, you know. I'm not saying certificates aren't enough, because there are certificates are being offered in all, and internships you could, as long as you actually like porsigido juga, interesado juga, maka land juga, let's say a job. But a college degree is a big advantage. But I wouldn't say nga it's the solution of all, but it's like it's the main, like your foundation ba to land a job. Of course your job's gonna look at that degree, right? But you also have to back it up with your skills, so that's that. I would say yes, college degree based sa ako ang school, the price of it, I'd say it is worth it, but I can't say for all, because there are universities or colleges that, you know, offer quite the expensive one, but and offer an education that's a bit underwhelming. But sa ako as long as makuha na ako ng degree by wala na akong kaan, so it's worth it sa ako.
You're currently in second year, right? In the next 5 years, where do you see yourself?
The next 5 years, I don't really know, bay. That's the main thing. I can't really see myself. I don't really know what to see myself in the future, because focus ra jud kay karon sa present. I mean, of course, na kay, you know, those imaginations that you get, those hopes that you get, hopefully may nani ko sa future. But you see, you only find out once you're there. So because if you set a standard, you know, you see yourself like this some big thing in the future, it's like you're putting some unnecessary pressure on yourself, but that's still in the future, so why care about it? The main thing that you should care about is right now, in the present. So my main answer to that is I don't really know.
Do you think success is more on financial stability or passion?
I mean, in this economy, by in this capitalist economy, by it's all about the money, you know, making more money. I mean, I'm glad that people are able to pursue their passions and still able to make some, still put food in the table. But you see, that's very rare by, and also it's just a luxury, a privilege, to be able to take that risk, because not everyone has that luxury to be, or privilege to be able to actually pursue what they want, because there are courses, how it is today, by there some courses are a lot less demanding, so there are risks that you won't be able to land a job in that certain field, so some are forced to actually enroll in a course that is actually more relevant. Well, for me, in my own perspective, I'd say it's more on how much you how much income you get. So financial status, yeah, that's what I am actually aiming for, the financial freedom, because the financial freedom gives you the freedom to actually pursue your passion on the side.
I
That's
agree,
it.
I agree. I agree.
Because I wouldn't say money is everything, but money can solve
Mostly.
everything. That's just life, and that's something that you have to agree on. So yeah, it's on for me. Success is more based on financial stability.
If you could give one message to all the college students around the world, what would it be?
Just go easy on yourself, man. I know college is, yeah, there's too much pressure. Especially when you fail, you would perceive yourself as a failure. That's what happened to me at first, at least. And it's a kind of pressure that's very, very an emotional toll of pressure. That's something that you shouldn't be carrying in the first place. I mean, it's not too late yet, There's still a lot of time ahead of you. I know that, you're thinking that time is ticking and all, but sometimes when you keep that kind of mentality, that's gonna burn you out. Sometimes you gotta go easy on yourself and just pat yourself in the back that that's just life. Sometimes you fail, sometimes you don't, but most of the time you fail, yeah. So even if you fail, I did my best. Because for me, the main success in your work is that the main determinant in the success of your work is how much effort you're actually putting on it. Because you could do everything right, but you could still fail. And if you don't realize that, and if that happens, you would put too much pressure on yourself that you're a failure. You are behind on everyone. You aren't doing your best. So as long as you're doing your best, you're putting your best foot forward, just do what you gotta do. Just keep at it. Even if you fail, don't give up. Stand up and go easy on yourself. That's that.
What one life lesson has college taught you in the past 2 years in college?
Last 2 years, consistency. Consistency is key. The moment I learned that is, it started when I started working out with myself physically, going to the gym every day. Consistency is the very thing. I'm not saying that every single day that you have to work out. You don't. What I'm saying is, as long as you don't stop, you could take breaks for 4 days. That's good. As long as after that you would resume working out. Just like in studying, that's what I'm doing right now. No matter how, because when I see a problem yeah, I couldn't get my head on it. I couldn't grasp. How do I even solve this? Ako ang first approach na sa una is stop ra ko ane. Murag lisod ra kayo na. But now is, even just a little bit, even if it's just reading the problem, understanding the problem, not actually doing the code on it, even just a little bit, just do that problem. Be consistent about it. You could take breaks tomorrow, okay, but the next day, get on with it. Progress on it. No matter how little it is, just try to solve the problem. Progress just a little bit, because you see, doing something a little bit every single day is a lot better than doing nothing, because at least you're actually progressing on something, rather than, because if you do nothing, the problems ain't gonna solve its own. So the best way is break it into pieces. Don't just understand the problem, understand the concept. Don't take it all, because that's just not how our brain works. That's what I said. Go easy on yourself and be consistent just be consistent. That's what I learned. Consistency is key. It's what makes you successful. Consistency is success.
What's something that you're proud of that you don't often talk about?
Ako most proud by is katong when I turned myself around from this fat kid to this right now. Muna akong biggest achievement by, and I'm glad I met Vincent by. Muna akong kan. I mean, katong senior high ko, yeah, I mean like katong during breaks after senior high, let's just say gasugod ako push-ups and all. Pero di ba ko push-up ato, so wall push-ups and all that. But wala ko like concrete or an actual road map on where to go, what do I do, what the moment college started and I met Vincent Bay, iya akong giguidean like, you know, this is what you do, full body and all. Even you started splitting your workouts, legs, push, pull and all that, whatever split you're doing. So just go to the gym, going to the gym, actually doing the workout and being fit, because being fit is nice, man, because you know it actually improves your mental health. That's what I and it's something that you should be proud of. Working out is something that you should be proud of. That's something that I'm proud of. Turning myself around, working out consistently, you know, actually being able to lift something heavy. That's why it's quite something.
Thank you, kayo, Mark. Thank you for story. The story is very relatable. Thank you.
No problem, bro. Gina.